Calm water pools, providing a low-cost solution to a homeowner's dream to have a swimming pool installed in their backyard in as little as 2 days. The swimming pools are manufactured in Jane Lou, West Virginia. They're brought by tractor trailer and hoisted as much as we can by an excavator into the backyard, preventing excessive charges for cranes. And then we could also work on our own time frame. You can see the stone around the edges. That's number 8 stone, and that's what we use as a backfill for the pool shell. This one we started pretty early in the year. Safety cover to prevent animals from coming in and out. Here the crew is putting on what's called a Stegmeyer form, and that gives you a bullnose around the pool made with the concrete. After the concrete has been poured, these styrofoam forms are pulled off, resulting in a nice bullnose finish, much like a bullnose you would have in a shower of your bathroom. This particular pool is about 1,200 square feet of concrete.